everyone. Welcome to this intermediate analytics capsule on subcategorization. So if you remember in one of our previous intermediate analytics capsules, we took some of our individuals, or the total number of them, and we split them up by the categorization they reside in, as you can see in the example behind me. So we have, just as a refresher, 28 of them in education, and 33 landowners, and 31 of our individuals are classified as media people. What what we're maybe curious about doing here is looking at the language that these 28 educators speak: Spanish, French, English. Same thing here. Maybe we're curious about the language that all of these categorizations of people speak. Well, if that's something you're looking to do and drill down even further, then subcategories are going to be your friend. Let's take a look on how we could do that. So all we need to do is click Edit up here. This is how we can edit the widget that we're viewing. And it'll just open up our nice little menu here that we've seen previously. We could click Preview just to look at the chart here that we're going to be working on, not the original. You won't see anything. This will just show you what the original looks like. I like to work in preview because I could see the changes that I'm making in real time. So how we activate a subcategorization is we have to scroll a little bit down and you'll find yourself a checkbox right here. And if we check it, it'll turn on the subcategorization option and open up a few more fields for us to utilize. Now we need to ask ourselves, what do we want to see here? So we are looking at splitting up the 28 educators, 33 landowners, 26 local government officials, etc., by the language that they speak. Well, we can think, well, where do I store that? Typically, it would be in the language of communication. So if we type that in, we can just reference that field. And now you'll see we get a different view here. So out of those stakeholders in education, 3 speak English, 13 speak French, and 12 speak Spanish. 8 speak English, 9 speak French, and 16 speak Spanish in our landowner base. This is pretty much it for subcategorization. I just want to highlight that we can view this in different ways. If you want the bars to be combined in one, we do have some now different visual options, like the bars stacked. And now you'll notice that it just took those bars and put them on top of each other. So still the same numbers, just a different look at it. And if you use the pie chart, there are some interesting interactions. So you see I have my first layer of data, and if I click on my state government piece of the pie, it'll then open up another pie chart showing me the breakdown by English, French, and Spanish. Let's go ahead. I think I like the bars stacked here. It looks pretty neat. I think I'll stick with this one. That's it for subcategorization. I hope you did learn something new today. Thank you very much for learning this intermediate analytics capsule. And as always, I hope you have a great day and I hope you take it easy there. Have a good one and goodbye.